What if I told you Samsung is quietly preparing the biggest One UI overhaul in years, and almost no one is talking about the real upgrades hiding deep inside the system? What if the features you've been waiting for since Android Marshmallow are finally returning, but redesigned with AI, automation, and next-gen privacy controls? And what if One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be the update that completely transforms how your Galaxy thinks, reacts, and protects you? Today on Tech Insights, we're breaking down everything. Confirmed leaks, early screenshots, performance upgrades, hidden tools, and why this update might redefine Samsung's entire software strategy. Before watching, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified about daily tech updates. Samsung is preparing One UI 8.5, and this update is shaping up to be much bigger than we expected. While One UI 8 based on Android 16 was a mild upgrade, 8.5 is where Samsung is packing new UI changes, deep system enhancements, an upgraded smart manager, and several AI-powered features that truly feel next-gen. This update isn't just visual, it's functional, intelligent, and designed to make your phone run cleaner, faster, and smarter. And the best part, it brings back a legendary Samsung feature from the Marshmallow era, Smart Manager, but this time redesigned from scratch with modern AI and advanced device protection tools. Let's start with the redesigned Smart Manager, the heart of One UI 8.5. Early screenshots show that Samsung is turning it into a control hub where everything is organized into two main tabs: Phone Status and Utilities. Phone Status gives you a real-time look at your device's overall health, battery condition, storage usage, performance alerts, system threats, and potential issues like overheating or debugging mode. One tap can fix the problems automatically using AI-based suggestions. Samsung wants Smart Manager to become a one-stop center for daily maintenance, and the layout looks cleaner, more modern, and much more dynamic than before. Moving to the Utilities tab, this is where things get exciting. Samsung is finally adding a native app lock, and unlike the older Chinese-only version, this one reportedly supports fingerprint, face unlock, pattern, PIN, and password, all built directly into the system. No more using third-party app lockers. The app lock also integrates with Samsung's privacy tools, meaning you can place sensitive apps into a locked environment with instant protection the moment you minimize them. This mirrors Apple's new app lock feature, but Samsung's implementation seems more customizable and flexible. If Samsung rolls it out globally, it will be one of the most demanded features finally arriving for all Galaxy users. Next, Smart Manager includes a power boost mode, allowing quick performance acceleration by clearing background tasks, blocking power-hungry apps, and optimizing CPU load. This will be extremely useful for gaming or heavy multitasking. The free up space section has also been expanded with better junk file detection, app cache cleaner, installation file remover, duplicate file scanner, and more accurate storage graphs that visually tell you which apps or files take the most space. Samsung is clearly trying to reduce the need for cleaning apps by packing all these tools natively. Another major upgrade is the revamped storage interface. One UI 8.5 shows junk files on the top, but now you also get per-app junk tracking with visual app icons. You can see exactly which apps generate unnecessary data. Installation files, temporary files, chat backups, APKs, and unused media are separated for easier cleaning. Samsung also added deep optimization controls like adaptive battery, sleep standby optimization, and background control, which lets you manually switch apps between unrestricted, optimized, restricted, and deep sleep modes. Power users will love this level of control. Samsung is also adding a new tool called Keep Apps Active, something that many users have been requesting. This allows you to choose which apps should never be killed in the background. If you pick WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, or any app, they will remain active 24/7 for instant notifications and smooth switching. But Samsung warns that this may increase battery usage, so it's optional and customizable per app. This is similar to unrestricted apps, but far more precise and user-friendly. One UI 8.5 also improves app state restoration, a recovery feature that brings you back exactly where you left off if an app crashes or closes unexpectedly. It won't work with every app, but Samsung is optimizing it for common apps and system processes, making multitasking smoother and crash recovery almost seamless. Now let's talk visuals. Samsung is working on new 3D glossy icons, slightly curved, glass-like, and more premium. The quick panel is also customizable with vertical or horizontal sliders for brightness and volume, customizable tile size, and resizable toggles. Many menus now use floating card designs similar to Samsung's newer AI apps. It gives the entire UI a cleaner, more minimalist feel. One of the most anticipated additions is priority notifications powered by Galaxy AI. These notifications glow subtly in the shade, automatically moving to the top of your notification list. Galaxy AI detects importance based on context, language, past behavior, and urgency. This helps prevent important alerts from being buried under random app spam. Samsung is blending AI with everyday usability in a way that doesn't feel gimmicky, just practical. A new privacy lockdown mode is also coming. With one tap, it disables sensitive notifications, hides locked apps, blocks location access, prevents unauthorized USB connections, and activates elevated protection. It's designed for emergencies or high-risk environments. This shows Samsung's new focus on security beyond basic biometrics. Now, about release timeline, Samsung is expected to open the One UI 8.5 beta by late November for the latest flagship models. The final rollout is rumored to begin with the Galaxy S26 series in late February 2026, followed by a global rollout throughout March. Any device that already has One UI 8 based on Android 16 is confirmed to receive One UI 8.5. Samsung usually releases updates quickly, so most users should get it within a week of rollout. Overall, One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most practical, feature-rich, and polished mid-year updates ever. Not only does it bring back Smart Manager with a modern twist, but it also adds essential tools like native app lock, improved storage management, better background control, cleaner UI elements, and meaningful AI-powered features. It's the kind of update that doesn't just look new. It feels new in daily use. If Samsung executes this well, One UI 8.5 might be remembered as the update that made Galaxy devices smarter, more secure, and more efficient than ever before.